In this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to build an email template that gives you a list of open homes that matches the buyer's criteria. If there are no opens for your buyer that match their criteria, the email will not send to them due to the setting that will turn on this particular template. To do this, go into the engine, and in the templates area, let's select add. You'll then need to give your email a label. For this template, I've called it the open home matching properties only. We then can use the add template option, and the first thing you'll need to do is give the template a subject. At the top left of the screen, you can hit the set one now option, and over on the right, you can add in a subject. I've called this one the open homes this weekend that match your criteria. It's best that you set a subject on this particular type of email, as you do not want to be changing that every week. You can then save that subject, and you'll now be able to start using the widgets to build your email. Always at the top, we use a header to put your logo on a white background, and you can add a keyword at the top right. To do this, over on the right hand side of the screen, you type into the main title field. Once you've entered that, you can use the Save Widget settings. Now you'll want to add a paragraph, which is a message to your clients. And again, this will be static, so it'll be the same text every time. So we're going to start this off with hi. Always add in the personalization of recipient name, which will merge the buyer's name in. Hold down Shift on your keyboard, press Enter, and type your message. So I've put a pretty simple message in here. Please find below a list of properties open this weekend that match your criteria. If you would like to update your criteria, please reply to this email. And then you can use the save option. Now below this, the final piece of the email is inserting the property card, and this gives us a list of properties. The list that we want to have is the open home list. As you can see, it shows a few more open home times and a bit of different information. And we then want to make sure the option is required widget. Now what that means is that this widget or this email list must present some data to send to the client, and if there is no matching properties for that client, do not send an email to them. So you may have 500 buyers, but only 300 of them will have matching properties open on the weekend, so only 300 emails will send. In the properties area, you then want to make sure that the property dynamically list is picking your open homes in the next 7 days. But before you save that, you may like to update the header. Instead of saying open home, you might want to say open homes this weekend. Or if you want to, you can clear that and you do not need to have a heading on that particular widget. Once you have finished, hit the Save Widget option, and you are now ready to use your email to send off to a list of all your buyers with your open homes for the weekend. To do this, quickly you'll go into the dashboard. You'll see that you have all active buyers here. You'll click the all active number, the 32, and you'll then be able to use the send, email, and from the email list, you'll be able to pick your template, which is the open homes, matching properties only. It will then load the email, and you're able to confirm how many people it's going to and send that email off.